Windows are an essential part of your home, providing natural light, ventilation, and insulation. However, as time passes, even the best windows can wear out, becoming less effective and causing various issues for homeowners. If you live in Glendale, recognizing when it's time for window replacement can save you from higher energy bills, discomfort, and potential damage to your home. Here are 10 signs that indicate it's time for new windows in your Glendale home. Visible damage or cracked glass, chipped frames, or broken seals are obvious signs your windows are no longer in good condition. Damaged windows not only compromise your home's security but also allow drafts and moisture to enter, which can lead to mold or further damage. Replacing them ensures better protection and a fresh look for your home. Drafts or air leaks. Do you feel a cold draft near your windows even when they're closed? This is a clear sign of poor sealing or insulation. In Glendale's variable climate, this can cause your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, leading to increased energy costs. Condensation between panes. If you notice fog or condensation between the panes of your double or triple glazed windows, it means the seal has failed. Once the insulating gas escapes, the window's thermal efficiency is significantly reduced. Replacing these windows restores insulation and prevents further problems caused by trapped moisture. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close easily. If yours stick, jam, or require excessive force, it could be due to warped frames, broken hardware, or swelling caused by moisture. Besides being frustrating, this can also pose a safety risk, especially in emergencies. Increased energy bills. High energy bills are a common sign of inefficient windows. If your home's heating or cooling costs are rising without explanation, your windows might be the culprit. Modern energy-efficient windows, such as those with low E coatings and double glazing, help keep your home comfortable and reduce energy usage. Excessive noise from outside. If you can hear every car passing by or the buzz of Glendale's busy streets, your windows aren't providing adequate soundproofing. Upgrading to high-performance windows can significantly reduce noise, giving you a quieter, more peaceful home. Rotting or decaying frames. Wooden window frames are particularly vulnerable to rot and decay over time, especially in areas with fluctuating weather conditions. If you notice soft spots, peeling paint, or crumbling wood around your windows, it's time to replace them with durable, low-maintenance materials like vinyl or fiberglass. Water leaks or stains. Water stains, puddles, or leaks around your windows are serious signs that they're failing to keep out moisture. Left unaddressed, water intrusion can lead to mold, mildew, and damage to your walls, floors, or furniture. Replacing the windows is the best way to protect your home from further water damage. Outdated appearance. If your windows look old-fashioned or no longer complement your home's style, they can detract from your home's curb appeal. Replacing outdated windows with modern designs instantly boosts the aesthetic value of your property, making it more attractive and potentially increasing its resale value. Windows that feel hot or cold to the touch. In Glendale's sunny climate, outdated windows can make your home uncomfortable. If your windows feel hot to the touch in summer or cold in winter, they lack proper insulation. Energy-efficient windows with UV coatings can help regulate your indoor temperature and block harmful UV rays, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Benefits of replacing windows in Glendale. Upgrading your windows offers numerous benefits, including enhanced energy efficiency, lower energy bills and reduced environmental impact. Improved comfort. No more drafts, hot spots, or cold areas near windows. Increased security. Modern windows often feature stronger frames and advanced locking mechanisms. Better curb appeal. New windows can dramatically improve your home's exterior. Choosing the right windows for Glendale homes. When selecting replacement windows, consider materials and designs that suit Glendale's climate. Options like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood-clad windows are durable and offer excellent energy efficiency. Double or triple pane windows with low E coatings are ideal for reducing heat transfer and enhancing insulation. Work with a trusted local window replacement company to ensure professional installation and access to quality products designed to meet your specific needs. Conclusion. Recognizing the signs that it's time for window replacement can save you money, improve your home's comfort, and increase its value. If your windows are showing any of these 10 signs, don't delay. Contact a professional window replacement service in Glendale to explore your options and transform your home. By addressing these issues promptly, you'll enjoy a more energy-efficient, secure, and beautiful home for years to come.